Narayana NEET campus hosts Rangmanch 2025 with vibrant cultural showcase. Bangalore, the Narayana Kokuvempuvani NEET campus celebrated its annual cultural showcase, Rangmanch 2025, with great enthusiasm, highlighting the spirit, creativity and talent of its students. The event, held under the leadership of Executive Dean Mr. B. V. Nagraju, brought together students, faculty, and dignitaries for an evening of performance and recognition. The celebration was graced by Dr. Sindhura Narayana, Director of Narayana Educational Institutions, who attended as the chief guest. Dr. Pramila, Academic Head of Narayana Educational Institutions, participated as the special invitee. During the program, distinguished guests felicitated students who secured an impressive 164 medical seats across premier medical institutions in India, an achievement credited to the students' dedication, perseverance and hard work. The recognition segment marked one of the key highlights of the evening, underscoring the campus's strong academic performance. Rangmanch 2025 also showcased an extensive lineup of cultural performances, ranging from traditional to contemporary forms, reflecting the holistic development approach of the institution. Students presented music, dance and thematic performances that kept the audience engaged and added color and vibrancy to the occasion. The event concluded with commendations for the organizers, participants and faculty members for curating a program that was both memorable and inspiring, reaffirming the campus's commitment to nurturing academic excellence alongside cultural enrichment.
Very good afternoon. Ellarikku namaskaram. I am Dr. P. Sindhura Narayana, Director at Narayana Education Institutions. Today, we have gathered here in B.R. Ambedkar Auditorium, like last year, in order to celebrate the great success of NEET great success of Narayana Group in the NEET examination in 2025. The success starts from not only at the national level, but also at a Karnataka level and also at a zonal level, that is in the North Zone, where all the deans of the North Zone are present here from the Kuvempu Bhavan. If you all remember it right, last year we have gathered in the same place in order to celebrate how 42% of our students who have attending the classes at Kuvempu Bhavan have bagged seats in the medical colleges. That includes at least 1 out of every student almost has bagged the seats, which is equal to 121 seats. And on that day, on the stage, I promised everyone that next year I'll be here again if we can make it 150. So last year we bagged 121 and this year we were hoping to bag 150. But to my surprise and to the hard work of the deans and R&D members, Central Office as well as Midfield, it was not just 150. We could bag 164 seats out of 312 students who took coaching, who took training from our Kuvempu Bhavan, which is 52%. We have increased our result by 10% in the number of selections in the medical colleges from just one campus. This is definitely a huge success, and that definitely requires a celebration, and that's why we are here in the name of Rangmanch in order to celebrate. And not only that, I have also been promised by the team that next year the number will be the magic number of 200. So I really look forward for it, and I'm sure there will be many more media members to cover the great news. And now, I want all of you to know how this, results are improving year on year. It's not just from one particular branch or one particular zone. Even if you take entire Karnataka, out of 50 ranks, we got 14 ranks from Karnataka, from all our zones. And out of these 14 ranks, the top rank in open category, a Karnataka rank I'm talking about, in NEET examination, is 6th rank. The next best rank is 11th rank, 12th rank, 17th rank, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 32, 38, 39, 43, and 44. So this is just the top 50 ranks that or out of the top 50 ranks, the 14 ranks that I'm calling out. As you can see, with just a limited number of students and with limited number of students, if we are able to produce such amazing result with the help of our Star CO Super China NEET program, you can imagine how much better result we can get, and we have been getting throughout our country because of our relentless hard work and our relentless improvement in R&D from time to time. So if you look at our national results in the All India Open category in the NEET exam of 25, we got 6 ranks in the top 20. I repeat, 6 ranks in the All India Open category NEET examination. We got 6 ranks in the top 20 and 22 ranks in top 100, which is equal to 22% of the top ranks in 100 in the All India Open category have been bagged by Narayana Group only. This is stunning. As all of you know, NEET exam determines more of your determination and how well you work hard, and not just only based on IQ. So how well a student stays very stable and how well a student takes all the input given by the organization ultimately gives the result. So great congratulations to the Narayana Group, the teachers, to counselors, to NLearn department, to the R&D department for making this a huge success. At the same time, last but not the least, we also achieved below 1,000 in the open category in All India, 94 ranks. So 6 ranks in top 20, 22 ranks in top 100, and 94 ranks in top 1,000 at All India level. And at Karnataka level, 14 ranks in top 50. And at the same time, from single branch only, that is from Kuvempu Bhavan, we got 52% of those students who have studied with us have bagged medical seats. This is an amazing achievement. I'm here to celebrate with the students, and I hope all of you also join us as well. Congratulations to all the students and the parents as well for their amazing support to each and every one of them, and to the school staff who have been training them in the form of eTechno, Olympiad, as well as CO programs in order to make sure that they are well trained, and by the time they come to college, it becomes more like a revision or more like a smooth study or a storybook study for them, and the exams become very easy to attempt. Congratulations to both the school team as well as college team for this amazing result, and I wish the next batches all the very best by taking inspiration from these batches. Thank you very much.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂದು ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಈ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನೀಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ CO ಕುವೆಂಪು ಭವನ್ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಮಿಳಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನೀಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಕುವೆಂಪು ಭವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನಾವು 572 seats ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2500 students who attempted NEET from the entire Karnataka Narayana Group, 572 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಲಭ್ಯ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಏಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಜಿಪ್ಮರಿಗೆ, AFMCಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಈ 572 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ, ನಮಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ CO ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೈನಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ರಂಗಮಂಚ್ಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅವರು, ಅವತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 42% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 50% ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿನೇ ಈ ಸತಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಭವನ್ ಇಂದ 321 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 364 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 8 students to 8 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜಿಪ್ಮರ್, 5 ಜನ ಜಿಪ್ಮರ್ಗೆ, 3 AFMC ಅಂಡ್ 15 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಂದ BMC ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 116 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದದ್ದು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಧೂರಾಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ರಮೀಳಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ರಂಗಮಂಚ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ನೀಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಲಭ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಶೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.